The smaller, the more dangerous it can be. Sometimes almost 3/4 of all small birds perish during the winter. Long-tailed tits are amongst the most vulnerable, so they are always looking for something edible. Deer, when really hungry, often nibble bark, and that helps the birds. Even the smallest of wounds can release a dribble of sap. Here, when temperatures drop, the emerging liquid can freeze icicles. Then the icicles will be full of sugar. A real delicacy. The sapsicle. It's rich in energy and delicious. These sweet treats could, in fact, make the difference between life and death. But they don't last long. In only a few short hours, the banquet is over.